AI assistants module application inside configuration menu inside LLM provide menu click. So cloud and DeepSeek model demo data added. So that model through easily search this database related any details like Cloud Sonnet 4.6 model code Cloud Sonnet 4.6 and cloud related any model add in this model code field and DeepSeek chat related model added currently and that related another model you can add in this field model code. So AI chat menu inside first start a new conversation menu click and default Gemini 3 flash preview model but you can change Cloud Sonnet 4.6 and you easily search any like a search please send me the user details in current database and enter. So searching the database user details and is currently in progress details. So you can easily find these details, give and proper table format and another one functionality you can start the debug mode. So always yes, activate the developer mode and so easily you can show developer mode is open source so the query button and proper domain and field related data you can see. And next I found another model through like DeepSeek chat view and I searched another query less than $2,000. So enter. So DeepSeek chat model is searching the sale order details. So in progress currently. Yes. Total three sale order details give her that total amount is $2,000. So easily Walsh details find in that both DeepSeek and Claude model this functionality added. Yes, this three sale order amount is more than $2,000. Yes, thank you.